He says one of my friends in school asked me that in your religion suicide is forbidden. But smoking is, though it is fatal from human health, but or injurious to human health.
That's a very stupid question. Smoking is injurious, but one does not smoke to commit suicide. Suicide is a different story altogether. One takes one's life out of pain, out of misery, for some other reason. So it's an instant killing. It has no relationship with the slow poisoning of things. In London, the pollution is such that you're almost like inhaling smoke. So the smoke this is why in planes and in buses now, in public buses, smoking is forbidden, because that air is polluted. So it has nothing to do with suicide.